Good morning, everybody. Merry Christmas to those that celebrate Christmas. And our first card is the sun. It's a time now of hope, love, and happiness. And they say things are not always going to be this way. A change is coming, but you are ready. And there's already love and peace and harmony in your relationships. You must stay determined and move forward. You are being guided, and they say you've got this. Our family members want us to know we must not succumb to peer pressure. Don't let others coerce you into decisions you in your heart know is not right for you. Be careful, do not take risks. Don't let old things trigger you now. That's what people do over this time. Move forward positive and be excited for the bright future. You have healed so many things about yourself, and something that you have wished for is going to come true. Don't get triggered. Don't let the devil make you do things you don't want to do. Stay rational and in peace and harmony, and show the world the new person that you have become. Be proud. You've come a long way. And then we get the sun card again, and that says happiness and well-being. You have overcome so many things, and you're open now to receive. You're not feeling stuck anymore, and they want you today to relax, and everything is going to be okay. Choose peace over chaos. Doors are opening up for you for a bright, beautiful future. Dreams and wishes are being fulfilled, and there are changes for the better. And the last card here is remember to practice self love. Have a lovely day, everybody. God bless you all.